Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that big a deal. But when that other video was still loading, this is part two. I thought, man, it'd be pretty good to add some colors. So I drew a star. I'm going to do just like I did in the first one, but I'm maybe go a little faster. So if you get lost, watch the first one. I'm going to go to the extrude tool and I'm going to extrude it. And then I'm going to go up here to the rotation and kind of give it a like that. But don't forget, you can still make it shorter by moving the rectangle. And then you can rotate it by just clicking on the inside and you get these green boxes. I never had seen that before. So you can kind of get which angle you want. And I like that angle right there. Now you've got it selected, go to object and break the extrude apart, grab the outside edge and nudge it over. Take these, go to object and group and ungroup them. Take this and weld it. And you've got that interior part that we don't really need. I didn't do it in the first video. We could delete that. So now we could take our interactive fill tool and swipe across, and let's put blue at this edge and then a light blue at the top, and then take this and make it and take away our outline by right clicking no outline. Well, it didn't work. No outline. There we go. Then make this black, take away the outline, and nudge it back to our star. That's pretty impressive looking if you were going to print that. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.